Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. You guys know that's when I usually start vlogs. So I'm cooking breakfast. I have to leave in about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna film me making breakfast. Hi, yes, may I have the chicken breast salad?
What kind of dressing?
Do you guys have Greek dressing right now?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll have the Greek dressing.
And pita bread or crackers?
I'll have the pita bread.
Anything else for you?
Could I have a small iced tea unsweetened, please?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
12:37. Thank you.
Thank you.
And she doesn't like spice.
Sopecitos. My mom made them. Say hi, Mom. My mom hates being on video. But yeah, they taste so good. She made this fresh salsa. ¿Qué tiene la salsa?
Más tomate y chile serrano y cebolla, ajo y cilantro.
Tomatillos? Yeah.
That's good.
Looks really good. We're gonna eat. I have my coffee too. And Zeus is here. He's laying down there. And there's my dad.
Good boy.
Yeah. What is that, Zeus? What is that? Okay, so I got a letter from Chewy. I think it's because they know it's Zeus's birthday soon. So I think it's gonna be a birthday card. Maybe. It is! That is so cute! It's a little... Zeus, come here! Look at it! It's your birthday card! Look! It's so cute! Hello, everyone. I'm back. It's not Friday yet, but it is Wednesday. And I went on a little Trader Joe's haul. First I'm gonna show you guys what I got for me and Ryan, which is sour cream and onion corn puffs. We finished this bag in like 3 days last time. So hopefully it lasts longer, but it's really good. It's just corn puffs. We tried the ones from Aldi and they were disgusting. So here we go. Here we are. I bought these really cute kiwi berries. So I'm gonna cut them up and put them in the little cheese boards, but they're so cute. And also in this bag, I have the strawberry preserves. They're made out of fresh strawberries, and these are also for the boards. So for Zeus, I saw these on my way out. It's pumpkin spice dog treats, and they're made with real pumpkin. So I'm going to feed him one in a little bit and you guys can see if he likes it. Maybe not. He just flipped it. God, the sky looks incredible behind you. Eating pizza. Juliana, Uncle Dan. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Your piñata.
It says pirate birthday.
Your pirate birthday.
Oh, there you go.
I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your
Wow, your cake is so cool.
Can you let people on the camera? Do you like that pirate stuff?
Yes. It's so cute. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Yay!